Quite a few days since I've done a report on OKA 009. Mostly this is because I've been helping fight bushfires. The 6 weeks I had off, I didn't get anywhere near what I hoped to achieve done. Just too many call-outs. However, have actually got the dashboard wired up. It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was, and all the switches are now working the way they should, and you can hear the stereo is going. I'll put a few extra things in, like an air horn, and that sounds really great.
Forward to Company Gyra, mate, you mowed the lawns?
Hazard lights are working and the lights flash, and this is the really good one that I like. That's loud. Couldn't get a switch to actually do the fan control with the 3 fan speeds and 1 off position, so I've ended up using a rotary switch, so it's very similar to what you have in most of the cars anyway. Unfortunately, the air conditioner is a lot worse than we thought. The compressor is C solid. However, the compressor wasn't feeding the evaporator inside the dashboard. It was feeding the unit up behind us. That's got an whatever they call the thing that cools the air down outside. That's on the roof. Yeah, it's a bit of work to fix that up. It could cost us a couple of grand for that. Done a fair bit of rewiring in the front of the vehicle. I've put relays in for the spotlights and headlights to actually improve the current flowing to the lights so they're less dull. There was some bad wiring techniques. It went from thin gauge wire from the back of the switch to thicker gauge wires at the lights. It's asked about you lose too much power over the thin gauge wires, and then it was just weird. And it's all sorted out now. A few extra things that have been put into there, like the air horn. A little bit more tidy up to go, and then we should be hot to get it down to the mechanic.